Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to see everyone on Zoom. So let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom app and make sure you are signed in. Then start or join the meeting. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of the screen and you will see the view button. Select gallery view where you can see multiple participants at once. Depending on your screen size, you can view up to 49 people in a grid format. If there are more than 49 people in the meeting, Zoom will automatically organize the participants into multiple pages and you can easily navigate between these pages to see more people. If you want to make sure you are seeing everyone in the meeting, click on the Participants button at the bottom of your screen. This will open a list of all the participants, and from there, you can quickly spot everyone who is attending the meeting. It's a super handy feature when you are in a larger meeting and want to keep track of everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to see everyone on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.